The 2023 Cold Beauty Advent Calendar is coming soon, and I have some spoilers. So they haven't released all the spoilers yet, but I can tell you the ones that I have, and as soon as they release all of them, I'll be letting you know. So this year's calendar does include 39 beauty products, with 20 of them full size, worth about $1,200. I don't see a price yet on how much this calendar costs yet. And then if I do get this calendar in PR, I will do a full review for you. This calendar will include the Doe Skin Forever Eye Masks. Doe Tattoo is a travel size 2 ounces, worth approximately $22. The Glow Recipe Plump Hyaluronic Cream, travel size 20 milliliters, worth approximately $33. The Joe Loves Votive Candle Roasted Chestnuts. The travel size is 70 grams. Olaplex number 3 Hair Perfector, travel size 30 milliliters. Rowan Eyes Oh Me eyeshadow palette, full size, worth about $43. Psy Glowy Super Gel in Star Glow, full size, worth $22. Sunday Rally Good Jeans Glycolic Acid Treatment, full size, 30 milliliters. It's worth $70 plus 32 more products. Like I said, if I do happen to get it in PR, I will do a full review for you guys. Let me know if this is one you guys are thinking about picking up. Hope you're having a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.